Mechanical Industrial. Number 13X, Riley Chica. Coming to the gate now. Number 752. Simcoe from Master Mechanic in Norfolk, tractor number 44, Jason Jones. The 45 car pulls up here from Simcoe, Master Mechanic, and 8 in Yardley Real Estate, Brad Decker, the driver. Coming to us out of the shed, that is Partner Auto and WC Customs, along with Cook Sheet Metal, that are bringing to us number 13, Rob Price. My wallet and passion is a sponsor of 04X Brayden Godfrey. This guy's been known as a rookie for 3 years. Sponsored by his wallet, number 03, Dave Saunders. Coming to us out of Wilsonville in Queensway Garage, the sponsor, number 32, Zach Smith. From Walsh in Queensway Garage, number 421, Tyler Brooks. Oh, and it looks like a war coming now from Simcoe. From Morgan Shred and Tate's Automotive along the town line manufacturing. This is 408 Rick Lewis. But behind him is a guy who's battled him, and they got a score to keep now. Coming to us from Hagersville and R&S Hauling and Dumping, NK Haulers at Clark's Derby Farm. This is number 350, Rob Clark. Dan Walker from Simcoe is here with Pro Web Greenscape and Property Maintenance Equipment Center Simcoe. Number 28.
I wanna be the best in the game. Best in my name. Check no restraints. I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but there's logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm waving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing. Yeah,
I'm doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic. Yeah, if I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it. Yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing.
5, 4, 3, let me hear you. about some damage here on Danny Walker. All stop. This time. 3, 2, 1, giddy up. Oh, there was a hit from 684 all across the whole plate. Trying to get him piled up down on either end. Digging a hole in the corner. Gets a little soft down there. Number 13, Rough Price, is finding that out. There's a shot from Price right there. Pairing you want to watch is number 408 Rick Lewis and number 350 Rob Clark. They've each had a win here. This is the rubber match. Will the cars survive till the very end? Yeah. Dylan DeBout hammering here in the corner. Working his way out of there with that colorful car. Track officials are busy, busy, busy. Looking around here, about half the pack still at work. No counts on here now. This is what I mean. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Matisse in the just married car right in the middle there. Bumping up with the bat. You can see some of the strategy at work now. Oh, there's a shot right there from number 32. Jack Smith. Whoa. They are hitting hard out here. All stop. All stop. Some on the track here caught the track officials' attention. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Who can get restarted might be a question here. Clark was telling me he had no alternator, no radiator running that thing without water. He's going to get about half an hour out of it, not quite. Oh, there's a little clip there on the backside of Matisse. From Craig Jameson. 6 cars still moving out here. Oh, that was a near miss right there from Jameson. Now the strategy starts to play here. With the carnage that's here still on the track. Creating some obstacles. Mila Meister comes over here and moves one of those 2-ton blocks. Got to make that competitive hit every 60 seconds. Track officials watching carefully. There we go. Matisse shuffling into the block and takes a shot from the mat. And then Jameson and Lewis. Oh, somebody put their hands in the air. A finishing blow. Has got that front tire spinning on the rim. Great car builds out here. A lot of these cars are looking pretty good out here. A little wobbly in the wheels, baby. Craig Jamison, always such a hard hitter, 893. Five cars still in play. Oh, look out! Jamison, and here comes Lewis. Lewis pounds it right in here. DeVouth again, and Matisse. Wham, bam! Everybody piling up down here on the end. Trying to shove them here into the hole. Get them so they can't get out. Disabled means you don't get to play no more. Look at them piled up right here, right now. Lewis trying to get himself out of here. He does. Rick Lewis back free. On the far side of the north end of the track. Here comes Jamison. Oh, and Lewis barely saw it coming. Kaboom from the teeth. DeVouth down the road. Three cars still moving, four still moving out here. Rick Lewis picked up the win here a couple of years ago. Look out, Jamison! Coming across here now. Craig Jamison getting beat up here right now. Pushed into the corner here by Rick Lewis, but look out. Müller coming across here, number 22. Very little traction on that front wheel. Lewis spinning it back around here, doing like a reverse turn from a stunt show, getting himself lined up for that head-on. With Jamison, now he pushes him on the side. Lewis, the star from Simcoe. Looking to try and put down another win here, but Jamison having none of it here. Oh, and look at that! Rick Lewis in a head-on with Craig Jamison, 893 on the north end of the track. Final four. Here now, that only one can be a winner. And again, they hammer in the corner along the wall. Lewis comes out, taking some more damage. Tries to push him here and disable him. Millimeter fire right there. Fire right now on Millimeter's car. Here, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Who can move? You got to make that competitive hit. Who would have been the last one? Probably Rick Lewis. That would be unofficial for me. As Lewis gets moving, the Simcoe superstar makes that touch. That will count. Lewis gave a little love tap right there, making sure that the track officials saw him make that hit. Nobody else can answer the bell here. Under the count, can anybody come out and challenge Rick Lewis? Look at this. Red flag is out. Unofficially, Rick Lewis from Simcoe picks up the win. Oh, and Rob Clark walks away a little disgusted about that. He knew he wanted to have a battle with Lewis, but Rick